Ooh, fitness tip of the day. I have a great recipe for you today to try. If your goal is to lose weight, get healthy and fit, and most important, sustain that weight loss. My name is Abby. Some of you regularly follow these fitness tips of the day. I often will share tips and tricks and stuff that you can do that is going to help you on this journey of losing weight. Hi Donna, nice to see you. So today I'm sharing with you a recipe. I made it earlier today. It is fantastic. Now maybe you're saying, why is this lady sharing a recipe on a weight loss, a fitness tip of the day? My fitness tips are all about weight loss, all right? I target people who are looking to lose weight. Hi, Lynn. Nice to see you on here. So, I don't know where you are on your journey of losing weight, but I'm going to tell you, when I first got into fitness 20 years ago, it was the hardest part for me was not weight training. Although, that's when I first started to weight train. Okay, weight training was foreign to me. I didn't know anything about it, but it wasn't the most difficult part. In fact, since I've been in fitness and helping people lose weight, I found the hardest part that most people have issues with, struggle with, while they're trying to lose weight or trying to stay with that weight loss, is what they're eating. So that's why I'm regularly going to be sharing these videos, these fitness tips of the day with a healthy recipe that tastes incredible. All right, yeah, finally meat. Yeah, Lynn, I'm finally putting meat up there. If you like meat, I don't know if you like meat. If you don't like meat, you're probably not going to like this recipe, but this is for the meat eaters. Okay, I'm a meat eater. I tried this recipe earlier. It's fantastic. So guess what it is? It is meatloaf muffins. Look at that. That's a meatloaf muffin. So I'm going to tell you why I really like this recipe. I'm going to make it for you. I'm going to show you how easy it is. I'm actually going to make it for you. Well, I really like this recipe because it comes in serving sizes too. Okay, I made this right here, right in my little muffin pan. I love my muffin pan. If you guys have been watching my lives for a while, you know I love my muffin pan. I make muffins all the time. Now I'm making meatloaf muffins. And guess what the good thing about meatloaf is also? It freezes incredible. So if you made this muffin pan, like today, I'm going to make all these, right? I'm going to make 12 of these. So wait, 3, 6, yeah, 12 of these little meatloaf muffins. And then my son he's already salivating. He's already salivating for this one. All right, I don't know about my daughter. Again, she's a little picky about what she eats, but I tried it already today, and they're fantastic. So let me show you how easy this is. We're talking 5 minutes, and probably most of this you already have in your house. All right, look, lean ground beef. I'm using lean ground beef. You can use turkey. I don't care what you use. All right, some people put turkey and sausage in, some put pork in. I have lean ground beef. That's what I made earlier. That's what I'm making now. Then it says, okay, put a half a small onion in. I like onion. So guess what? I'm putting a lot of onion. And I did that earlier too. I loved it. It says put so much, a cup of, actually it's a cup, yep, 1 cup of oatmeal. I'm throwing that in there. I have a 1/4 cup of ketchup. I'm throwing that in there. I'm supposed to put 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. I'm putting that in there. I'm breaking 2 eggs. Look it. Guess what? That's the beauty of meatloaf. Look it. Now guess the hard part is the hard part. All I do next is mix it all up. I mix it all up. And for some of you, guess what is easier than me using a spoon? Getting my hands dirty. And I don't mind getting my hands dirty. If I can get a good, easy, quick, delicious meal, and I can just come in here, look, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna stick my hands in there. I'm gonna go like this. Beautiful, beautiful. Guess what? I'm just gonna mix it all up. Now look, it was oatmeal instead of breadcrumbs. And it was old-fashioned oatmeal. Some people also will take the onions and saute them before they have put it in this mix. I did it earlier and I loved it, but I love onions. Okay, so you're gonna spray your pan, then you're just gonna make little, there's gonna push this right into your pan like that, right like that, right? And then you're gonna coat it. You're gonna coat it with this other thing right here. This is called, I'm gonna put a little bit of ketchup, this little basting. I'm gonna baste your meatloaf muffins, okay? So you're gonna baste that, you're gonna put that right on top of your muffin. And then you put it in the, that's it, that's the end. You're already done. You put it in the oven for 40 minutes at 350. You have yourself, here you go. You have yourself meatloaf that I did not use breadcrumbs with. I did not use bread. I used old-fashioned oatmeal. I put onions in, Worcestershire sauce. I put ketchup in. I put a couple eggs in there. I'm putting it in the pan. I sprayed the pan. I'm putting it in the pan. I'm putting it in the oven. I put a little bit of more ketchup and Worcestershire sauce on it. And then I bake it for 40 minutes. Look at this. And this is a serving size. Not only is it a serving size, I would have 2 of these. Probably 250, 300 calories. And guess what? I could go out the door with this. And these freeze. So say your kids turn their nose up at it. Mine won't. My son for sure will. My daughter. Guess what? You can put them in the freezer. You got meals. You made extra. You made 12. You could double this recipe, make 24, put them in the freezer. You are now winning at this thing called losing weight because you found a meal, hopefully, that you love, right? That was easy, quick, stuff you already had in the house that you can freeze, make a bunch of. That's how you win, all right? Food is the biggest stumbling block for most people, so you need to try these new recipes. Try these things that are easy and quick, convenient, and hopefully, if you love it, it can become a regular recipe that you make every week because you love it. You're excited about eating it. You're like, wow, I can't wait to eat those little muffins, those little meatloaf muffins. That's your key to success. I feel so strongly that everybody needs to experiment to some degree. If you don't already know what foods that you like, you cannot choke celery sticks down your throat to lose weight and think you're gonna stay there once you lost that weight. You gotta find a sustainable way of losing that weight and keeping that weight off. And the very most important step you can start to do that is trying new healthy recipes that are not a lot of calories, all healthy ingredients, that are easy and quick and you love to eat. Then you're winning. Then you're gonna lose the weight using those recipes. And when you've lost that weight, you will sustain it. You will keep it off because you love these recipes so much, you're still making them, all right? That's when you're winning. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe today. I hope you try it. This is going to be a regular recipe for me. I've never tried this recipe before today. It's going to be a regular recipe for me because I love everything I was telling you about. I love the simplicity of it. I love the fact that I can put it in the freezer. I love the fact that I can make 2 batches at once and have a ton of them. Okay, that we could all mix and match. I could put this with other things. It's easy, it's convenient, it's tasty, and I actually love it. I tried it earlier, love it. So if you get a chance, try this recipe. Let me know. I want you to Write in the comments. In fact, what I would like you to do right now is write in the comments if you're watching right now. Where are you from? Where are you watching me from? And if you do, step out of your comfort zone and try these muffins, these meatloaf muffins. Come back. Let me know what you think about them. And if you got anything from this, please share. All right, Marie. Yeah, Marie's from Hinckley, New York. Eileen, I know you're from here, Orlando. Hi, Marie. Marie's my cousin. My cousin from New York. Anyway, so listen, Marie, try these. Everybody try them. Share this. If you got something from this live, please share. Please like. Please comment. The more you share, like, and comment, the more Facebook lets other people see it. And you know, I do online training. I can help you lose that weight. I can teach you how to weight train, which is also very important to someone losing weight. And I can set you up for success. Kayla's on here. Lynn's from Sierra City, California. Very nice. Again, please share. Thank you for joining me. You all have a great day. Let me know how it goes. I will be back Monday with your next fitness tip of the day. Thank you.